Hello everyone, my name is Asiba Qureshi. I am from Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Now I am here to provide a video for the subject of computer graphics. So my topic is polygon filling algorithm. Okay. Polygon filling algorithm. So all you know about a polygon. Did you know about polygon? What is polygon? Polygon is basically it's have a some triangle or a square or rectangle which do not have any curves but have a vertices or edges. So basically it's called as a polygon. Now here I am showing you a one diagram and it's called a polygon. This is a polygon. Okay. Now in polygon there are three conversion algorithm. First one is scanline algorithm. Second one boundary fill algorithm. Third one is flood fill algorithm. Now we are here study about boundary algorithm, scanline algorithm. Now basically, did you know about scan or lines? I think all you are know about what is lines now. So here we are using a algorithm, that is scanline algorithm. So scanline algorithm, basically what we do, scanline algorithm is using a x-axis and a y-axis. Here this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Okay, now I am here putting some values 14, 16. Now 2, 4, 8, 6, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay. Now scanline algorithm, what it says, that we have to find out the scan lines algorithm. In scan lines, how we have to calculate scan lines. So basically scanline algorithm is based on scan lines which is intersect the polygon. So here some lines which is intersect the polygon. So here one line is going, second one, third one and fourth one. So in scanline algorithm you are seeing that the some lines are going and the lines are passing through the polygon, so they are intersect the polygon. So scan lines which is going from the polygon, they are intersect the polygon. So we have find some intersection points here, 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 here. So the firstly we have to named as P0, P1, that is P2 and P3, this P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8 and P9. Okay, now the diagram we have to give a name diagram A, B, C, D. Okay, now in scanline algorithm we have to firstly find out the scan lines which is passing through the polygon. Now second point is we have to find the intersection point. So our algorithm, what algorithm our says that our algorithm says that first, okay, our algorithm say first we have to find out y maximum and y minimum. So here this is a x-axis and this is y-axis. Here y minimum is what? What is the y minimum? Here 0 is a y minimum, and y maximum, it's a y minimum, and y maximum is what? 22 is a y maximum. So first point is clear, that say that we have to calculate y minimum and y maximum. Now we are find out y minimum and y maximum in y axis and x axis. So now our second point is scanline intersect with each edge of the polygon. Now from y minimum to y maximum. So all the scan lines are passing through the polygon, they intersect the polygon. So we have to find out some intersection points, and we have named that P0, P1, P2. So name the each intersection point. So we are here giving the names intersection points. We have giving name like P0, P1, P2, P3 and so on. Now as the polygon figure shows, they named as I told you, P0 to P9. We have named this as a P0 to P9. Now third point is what? Second point is intersection point and named it. Now third point, what is saying? Sort the intersection point. What we have to do? Sort the intersection point in increasing order. So here we have to calculate the we have to sort the intersection points. What are the points are? P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So we have to go to increasing order. So what's the meaning of increasing order? We have to go from smaller number to larger number. So we have to give the sorting point as P0, P1, P2, P3 and so on. Okay. Now what the fourth step is? Now our fourth step is we have to pair the intersection points. Okay. Now what the pair we have making here? First pair will be P0 and P1. Okay. Now one point is here, you have to understood or remember, always pair, what pair will be making, which is what pair will be making? Those points, those intersection points which are going or passing through from the polygon. So we will make those pairs. On those points, those intersection points which are going from outside of polygon, are intersecting outside of polygon, we will not make that pair of that intersection points. So here P1 and P2, it's outside of polygon, so we cannot make the pair of the P1 and P2. Suppose here something some intersection point, suppose here one passing line is going through the polygon and we have to make some point, so we can't pair that point as a intersection points or intersection pair. So you have to remember that point, that outside of polygon we have find our intersection point, so we can't make a pair of that intersection points. Now here our first pair is P0, P1, now P2 and P3. Now fourth is P4, P5, P6 and P7, P8 and P9. Okay. Now we have done all the steps. Now what the actually scanline algorithm do is, so all you know about pixel is a small number of dots that is available in the screen or on a computer graphics or on the computer screen. So here some pixels are available on the screen. We have to fill this polygon. because our algorithm is what? Polygon filling algorithm. So we have to fill the polygon. So basically we are using scanline algorithm. So we have to find, doing the scan lines using scanline, we have to fill the polygon using some colors. So here some pixels are already available. So that's why we have to do one step, also one step we have to do. So we have make a diagram. So this is the diagram. The diagram name is active edge list. Do you know about active edge, or do you know about edges? Here what are the edges? A, B, B, C, C, D, and suppose here we take a point as E. So it's also edges, it is ED and AE. Now we have to put this type of edges in active edge list or active edge bucket. Now which are the edges? AB, BC, CD, DE and AE. Now we have to fill the polygon using of pixels. So we have to, what we have to do? So what we have to do? We have to fill these pixels one by one. Firstly we find the pair. That is, what pair we are finding? P0 and P1. Now P0 and P1. So P0 and P1 are from which edges? From the AB edges and AE edges. Yes or no? From AB edges and AE edges we find the P0 and P1 intersection point. So this area we have to fill it. So here available pixel or present pixel will follow the rule, and they start the filling the polygon. So when will be they filling? They have to take a permission from edge list bucket or active edge list bucket. If so, P0, P1 are from which edges? AB and AE. So AB and AE will grant the permission for filling the bucket. So they will be that time will be active and other edges will be deactivated for this time. So when will AE and AB will provide the permission for P0 and P1 to fill the polygon, they will fill the polygon, and one by one they fill the polygon. So AE and AB that time active, and P0 and P1 will be fill the polygon. Now next our point is P0 and P2 and P3. Now for P2 and P3 the edges are DE and DC. Now DE and DC will be active for that time, and other edges will be deactivate for this time. So they grant the permission for P2 and P3, and P2 and P3 will pixels will be allowed and will take a permission, and they start the filling the polygon. So so on. Then next time will P4 and P5 will fill the polygon. Now next will P6 and P7, then P8 and P9. Now here so on. P10, that is P10 and P9 also will fill the polygon. One by one all the pair will fill the polygon, and at last we fill that polygon fully, completely we fill the polygon. Okay. Now thank you. I completed my video.